Hey Sam, today is our first video on amazing facts around the world. So which place are you gonna talk about?
Hi Sarah, today I am gonna tell you and my friends who are watching this video about a temple which is dedicated to the sun.
A temple dedicated to the sun.
Yes, you heard it right. So let us begin.
I am so excited.
The temples of India are unique for its rich architecture and the interesting legends behind them. From devotees to travelers, these temples see a rush of people from every part of the world. The Konark Sun Temple is one such wonder which you would find interesting. The Konark Sun Temple, believed to have been built during the 13th century CE, is a massive stone-built temple in the shape of a giant chariot, dedicated to the Hindu sun god. Its architectural and design elements are out of this world. Located about 35 kilometers northeast from Puri on the coastline of Odisha, India is the Konark Sun Temple, an ancient engineering wonder attributed to King Narasimha-deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Its name Konark derives from the Sanskrit words kona, which means corner or angle, and arka, which in translation means the sun. The temple was built in honor to the Hindu sun god Surya, and the massive structure was built in the form of a 100-foot (30 meters) high chariot with immense wheels and horses, all carved from stone. According to surviving ancient texts, chlorite was used for the door lintel and frames as well as some sculptures. The ancient builders made use of laterite for the cone of the temple's platform as well as the staircases located near its foundation. Condylite was also used for different parts of the temple. Interestingly, none of the stones used in the building process originated from quarries located in the vicinity. At its prime, the temple stood over 200 feet, 61 meters, high. Today, much of the temple remains in ruins, especially the massive Shikara tower over the sanctuary. The exact reason why the temple was partially destroyed remains an enigma to experts. There are several theories ranging from natural disaster to deliberate destruction due to being sacked in ancient times by various invading armies. One of the most amazing design elements of the temple, which by itself is already mind-bending, is a massive stone wheel engraved into the walls of the temple, a stone wheel engraved in the walls of the temple. The temple is designed as a chariot consisting of 24 such wheels. Each wheel has a diameter of 9 feet, 9 inches, with 8 spokes. As the temple was designed as a massive chariot, it features 24 such wheels. Each of the wheel at the Konark Sun Temple has a diameter of 9 feet, 9 inches, and 8 spokes. Let's check out some of the other interesting facts about this temple. 12 pairs of wheels. 12 stone-carved wheels of the Konark Sun Temple represent the 12 months of a year. These wheels that are found at the base of the temple also show time. The spokes of the wheel form the shape of a sundial. The exact time of the day can be calculated seeing the shadow cast by the wheels. The spokes of each wheel. Each structure built in Konark Sun Temple represents the passage of time. Each wheel here has 8 spokes, each representing a prahar, which is a 3-hour period, adding up to 24 hours, which is a day. 7 horses. The temple is shaped in the form of a huge sun chariot. This chariot is drawn by 7 horses, which represents 7 days of a week. Depiction of wealth and power. At the entrance of the Sun Temple, you can find 2 lions at either sides of the entrance, that are seen crushing an elephant each. Beneath each elephant is a human being. Here, lion represents power and the elephant portrays wealth. The whole illustration symbolizes the major problems faced by man in his life: money and power. Black Pagoda Temple was also known as Black Pagoda or Kala Pagoda by the European sailors, as the temple was dark in color and a major landmark for the sailors. Like the temples of Khajuraho, the Sun Temple at Konark also has an abundance of sculptures that depict Kama, Artha, Dharma and Moksha, that are the 4 major pursuits of life. Konark Sun Temple was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. It remains an active, major pilgrimage site for Hindus, who gather here every year for the Chandrabhaga Mela around the month of February.
That's very interesting.
Yes, it is. That's it for today. Until next time, as we come up with another session of amazing facts around the world. Till next time, like, subscribe and of course do share it with your friends.